Hello everyone, welcome back to Cloud Institution. So today in this video, we're going to see about another AWS interview question. That is, can you create a snapshot of a root volume that is attached to a running EC2 instance? So this is something tricky question, right? So first of all, we should understand what is root volume is. So root volume is nothing but where the OS has been resides. Okay, so where the OS is running. Okay, that is called the root volume. So now, is it possible for us to create a snapshot of the root volume that has been attached to the running instance? Okay, so now the answer for this one is going to be yes. You can create a snapshot of a root volume, so while it is attached to a running instance. Okay, however, it is recommended to stop the instance to ensure the data consistency. Okay, so let's see how to create a what is root volume and how to create a snapshot using root volume. Okay, so let's go back to our AWS itself. Okay, so this is the snapshot, right? So you can see here we have two instances running. Okay, so as I mentioned with you earlier, so whenever you're creating, whenever whenever there is some the instance is created, so the snapshot will be created automatically. Okay, so for now, I'm going to the snapshots. Okay, I have two snapshots. Okay, I'm going to create a new instance. Sorry, I'm going to launch a new instance. Okay, launch instance. Okay, so the cloud institution, snapshot demo. Okay, so now I'm going to give the proceed without keeper. I don't need keeper. So I'm going to give, okay, so the configure storage is going to be 8 GB. Now I'm going to launch so launching an instance. Now the instance is launched, right? Okay, now let's go back to the instances. We'll see, how many instances are there. Okay, the one instance is stopped, another one is cloud institution, and another instance is cloud institution snapshot demo. Okay, now let's go back to the snapshots. So initially we have seen there are two snapshots were there. Okay, so now, okay, so now there is no snapshots. Now what we're going to do is that I'm going to create a snapshot of the root volume. Okay, so I'm going to refresh it again for a while. Okay, now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to create a snapshot. I'm going to create a snapshot of the volume. Okay, so select volume. So what is the EBS volume that has been created for the newer instance? Okay, first of all, I'm going to go to the snapshots. Okay, so there is nothing over here. Okay, so now I'm going to the instance and I'm going to see the volume. Let me just find it out. Where is this? Where is volume? Okay, so let's go to the volumes. EBS backshot. I see EBS block storage, and then the volume is going to be so the cloud institution that will be attached to the instance. So as you can see here, there are so many volumes are there. Okay, attached to this instance, right? So cloud institution demo. Okay, so this is the volume. This is the root volume, right? So the root volume is nothing but where the OS is being installed. So now I'm copying this volume name, and now I'm going to snapshots. Okay, so we have a two snapshots which has already been there. Now I'm going to create a snapshot. Okay, so the select volume, the volume is going to be this one, right? So the volume which has been attached to the instance, which is the root volume, which is created automatically. So is the root volume snapshot. Okay, this is called root volume snapshot and create a snapshot. Okay, now as you can see here, the snapshot is being created. It is just pending. Okay, you can also choose the size and how much GB you want it, right? Okay, so now, so this volume has been pending and it will be completed in a fraction of seconds. Okay, so this is the answer for this particular question, right? So is it possible for you to be able to create a snapshot of the root volume? So root volume is nothing but the volume where it's been created by default with the OS, so where the instance is created. Okay, so where all the OS components and all the packages been reside and installed in this particular EBS volume. Okay, you cannot detach or you cannot delete this volume. okay, because it is being attached to the OS itself. No, okay. So now, so this is what the answer for this question. Hope this question was really helpful for you. Okay, so please stay tuned for the rest of the questions like this. So hope if you go for interview, please prepare on these kind of questions, and these kind of questions will be really helpful for you to crack the interview. Okay, thank you so much for watching this, guys, and stay tuned for the rest of the videos.